This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by getting into the UEFI interface and confirming system mode. Reboot and press the motherboard hotkey. Once in UEFI, locate boot or security. Make sure Windows boots in UEFI mode, not legacy or CSM, because Secure Boot only works with UEFI. If you haven't updated firmware, do that first to avoid key handling bugs. Keep a USB recovery drive handy in case Secure Boot blocks booting. Once done, proceed to enable Secure Boot and check key management settings. Now you'll enable Secure Boot and ensure the correct keys are active. Disable Compatibility Support Module and switch boot to UEFI only. This prevents legacy drivers from interfering. Turn Secure Boot on, then choose the standard or Microsoft key set so Windows and Vanguard are trusted. If your UEFI asks to install default keys, accept or enroll the platform key, PK, and key exchange keys, KEK. Once keys are installed, save settings and reboot to let the OS validate signatures, and can finish by verifying Secure Boot inside Windows and updating software. Open System Information, EMSInfo32, and confirm Secure Boot state reads on. Update motherboard drivers, Windows, and Riot Vanguard so signatures match expected keys, then launch Valorant. If the game still fails, check Event Viewer for signature failures. Once identified, either enroll missing vendor keys or, if the system won't boot, use the recovery USB to clear or restore Secure Boot keys before retrying. That single troubleshooting tidbit usually fixes most blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.